Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to remove the starter on a W220 S500 and S430 Mercedes Benz. You need an E14 inverted Torx socket, 10 millimeter, 13 millimeter sockets, a swivel socket, long extension, and of course a wrench. Disconnect the negative battery cable, the black cable, and jack up the front of the car. Remove the two covers towards the rear, the underbody covers, and get to these two bolts with an E14 socket. And to crack the bolts loose, you may need a, because it's kind of hard to get there, you need the longest extension, socket extension you can get. You may need something for leverage. I'll show you the one that comes with Mercedes-Benz. I mean these S500 and S430s in the trunk. You can use that as leverage this here that is used for the removing the tires. Hopefully you have that still in your car, and so use that as leverage to crack the bolts loose. And once you do that, then it's really easy. You just keep turning until and at some point you can do it with your fingers and just get the bolts out. And as you remove the bolts, don't worry, the starter will still stay in place in its socket. Until you pull it out. And once you pull it out, then you have to move the nose up towards the side of the transmission, up towards the floor of the car, so that you can get to these nuts in the bottom. And there are two. This one has a cover, the black cover, that's a 13 millimeter, and then the other one is a 10 millimeter nut. And so you can get to it through this cavity, and then you just place the cables to the side, and you see how I have the starter kind of upwards, with the nose upwards towards the floor of the car. And then if you kind of maneuver it in this manner, where the solenoid side is to the left and the main body of the starter is to the right, with the nose first, you can get it out. And I'm showing it here twice so you can see. And it's really that easy. The reason I did this is because the car has got 141,000 miles, and at some point when the starter goes out, then you just cannot crank the car. Sometimes you can if you hit it with a hammer or a long extension or something, you know, hit it hard. It might to start once or twice, and it may not. As a bonus footage, I'm showing you here how to take it apart. I wanted to see the condition of the carbon brushes. There are 4 of those in these. They still had half of their lives intact, so which means this starter can be used for another 40-50,000 miles minimally. So so I just cleaned it with brake parts cleaner and put it back together. But so you can but if you have you know, if you're getting closer to 200,000 miles, you might wanna check out yours too and see if you need to replace the starter. If you want to actually replace the brushes, you can do that too. When the time comes, I probably will make another video for that. But so that's how to remove the starter on a W220 S500 and S430 Mercedes-Benz. And if you have any questions, let me know, please. I'll be happy to answer them. I usually answer any questions within 24 to 48 hours. I hope you enjoyed this video and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.